Hi, I'm James, the director here at ACES. We specialise in decarbonisation and principal contractor services. So we're here today on Buckingham Palace Road for some critical infrastructure works. The team today has got roughly 25 lifts, give or take, and roughly 6 lorries coming in and out for various items of transport. The team today from DSM have been absolutely amazing. A big thank you to Marcus and the various guys rigging the equipment. Today is 9 months in the making of critical planning, from road closures to working with Network Rail, tenants, consultants and various technical skilled abilities. As part of today's works, we're going to be lifting 4 heavy-duty plate heat exchangers, which will act as the primary division between the primary-secondary side of our chilled water network at the various locations across the 2 roofs. We've got a really short program in the sense that every lift has to be precise and timed in the correct manner. So the lifting team's been brilliant. We've got items going up, we've got items coming down, and they're going to their precision locations. To the back of the building, we've got some large plate heat exchangers, and we've also got 4 heat pumps being installed. One of the benefits of working with ACES is we partner with HVAC Rentals, our temporary plant division. On this specific project, we had to keep the heating and cooling operational throughout. We did this by the use of a temporary header, which was connected to the boilers. This enabled us to install the new headers, the new buffer tanks, and seamlessly complete that transition. On the cooling side of the system, we connected roughly 300 meters of flexible hose, and this is going to be connected to the new air source heat pumps, which will be running in cooling mode. During the commissioning stages, we'll be able to transition from the old equipment to the new equipment using our temporary plant services from HVAC Rentals.